Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Conversations, the perfect channel to help you master real-life English conversation through situational dialogues. Today, we have a very exciting video for you. We are going to practice a common everyday situation, greeting a new neighbor. This video is designed for learners at the A1 CFR level, which is perfect for beginners. In this lesson, you will hear a simple, natural conversation between two neighbors who meet for the first time in their apartment building hallway. They will introduce themselves, ask where each other is from, and use friendly, polite expressions. Our goal is to help you feel confident when introducing yourself in English. We will listen to the dialogue in sections and then review key vocabulary at the end. Make sure to listen carefully and repeat the sentences out loud to practice your pronunciation. Let's get started with our first section. Hello there. Are you moving in today?
Oh, hi. Yes, I am. I just moved into apartment 4B this morning.
Welcome to the building. I am Sarah. I live in apartment 4A, right next door.
It is very nice to meet you, Sarah. My name is Alex.
It is nice to meet you too, Alex. Welcome to our neighborhood. Are you carrying all these boxes by yourself?
Yes, I am. It is a lot of work, but I am almost finished. This is the last heavy box.
That is good to hear. If you need any help, please let me know.
Thank you so much, Sarah. That is very kind of you.
You are welcome. Where are you from, Alex?
I am from Canada. I moved here for my new job. How about you?
Oh, Canada. That is wonderful. I am from Chicago, but I have lived here for 5 years.
Wow, 5 years. You must know the area very well.
Yes, I do. It is a great place to live. The people are very friendly.
I am glad to hear that. I hope I can make some friends soon.
Don't worry, you will. We have a great community here.
That makes me feel much better. Thank you.
Of course. Well, I should let you get back to your boxes.
Okay. Thank you for saying hello, Sarah.
My pleasure. Have a nice day and good luck with the unpacking.
Thank you, Sarah. Have a nice day too. By the way, is the elevator working today?
Yes, it is working, but it is very slow today.
That is okay. I will use the stairs for the small boxes.
The stairs are clean and wide, so that is a good idea.
Great. And where do I put the trash bags?
The trash room is on the first floor, near the main entrance.
Thank you, Sarah. I will take my trash there later.
You are welcome, Alex. Hi, Alex. Good morning. How is your new apartment looking today?
Good morning, Sarah. It is great, thank you. I finished unpacking all of my boxes yesterday evening.
That is very fast. Do you like the apartment?
Yes, I do. The living room is very bright, and the kitchen is quite clean. But I have a question. Is there a good supermarket near here?
Yes, there is. There is a large supermarket just 2 blocks away. It is called the Green Grocery.
Oh, how do I get there?
Just walk out of the building, turn left, and walk straight. You will see it on the corner.
Let me make sure I understand. I walk out of the building, turn left, and walk straight.
Yes, that is correct. It is very close.
Is it expensive?
No, it is not. It is actually very cheap, and they have fresh fruit and vegetables every day.
That is perfect. I want to buy some fruit and bread today.
They also have a small bakery inside. The fresh bread is delicious.
I love fresh bread. Is there also a park nearby?
Yes, there is a beautiful park behind the supermarket. It is very quiet and peaceful.
Great. I like to walk in the park in the evening.
Me too. Maybe we can walk there together sometime.
That would be very nice. Thank you for the information, Sarah.
You are welcome, Alex. Happy to help.
Is the supermarket open on Sundays?
Yes, it is open every day from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m.
That is very convenient. I work late on weekdays so I can shop in the evening.
Yes, it is rarely crowded in the late evening.
Good to know. Thank you.
Hello, Alex. Nice to see you again.
Oh, hi, Sarah. Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I am doing well, thank you. Are you going out?
Yes, I am going to the post office. Do you know where it is?
Yes, I do. The post office is on Main Street. It is right next to the big bank.
Is it far from here?
No, it is not far at all. It takes about 10 minutes to walk there.
Okay. Can I walk there? Or should I take a bus?
Walking is very easy. But if you are tired, you can take bus number 12.
I think I will walk. The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is very sunny. By the way, there is a new cafe next to the post office.
Really? What is it called?
It is called the Coffee Corner. They have excellent coffee and delicious cakes.
Oh, I love coffee. I will try it today.
Great. Tell me if you like it.
I will. Thanks again, Sarah.
No problem. Have a good walk.
Thank you. See you later.
Goodbye.
Wait, do they have tea at the coffee corner? I also like black tea.
Yes, they have many types of tea. They have green tea, black tea, and herbal tea.
That is wonderful. I will buy a cup of black tea and a slice of chocolate cake.
The chocolate cake is their best seller. You will love it.
Great. I am hungry now.
Have fun at the cafe.
Thank you.
That brings us to the end of our situational dialogues for today. Let's do a quick wrap-up and review some of the key vocabulary and expressions we learned. First, we practiced introducing ourselves with I live in. And my name is. Next, we used common A1 polite phrases like it is very nice to meet you, you are welcome, and have a nice day. We also practiced simple directions such as turn left and walk straight. These basic phrases are essential for everyday life and will help you connect with people in English. We hope this lesson makes you feel more confident about greeting your neighbors. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. What is your favorite way to say hello? Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Conversations and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Keep practicing every day, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.